Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by banks or governments. A world where the concept of ownership and value transfer, think about it. No need for a bank account, no dealing with bank hours, fees, or cumbersome paperwork. This is the promise of Bitcoin, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, a revolutionary new form of digital money. It's not just a fantasy, it's happening right now, reshaping the very way we understand and interact with the financial world. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Whether you're new to the world of digital currency or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will break down what Bitcoin is, how it works, why it was created, and its impact on the global financial system. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of Bitcoin's history, technology, potential benefits, and risks. How does Bitcoin work? Blockchain. This is the technology behind Bitcoin. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions made on the Bitcoin network. It is a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. Once a block is completed, it is added to the chain, forming a permanent, immutable record of every Bitcoin transaction. Mining. Bitcoin relies on a process called mining to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex cryptographic puzzles, which confirm transactions and secure the network. In return, miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins, a process that introduces new coins into circulation. Private keys. To send and receive Bitcoins, users must have a digital wallet containing a pair of cryptographic keys. The public key is like a bank account number. It can be shared with others to receive funds. The private key is like a password. It must be kept secret, as it allows users to access and spend their Bitcoins. Transactions. When you send Bitcoin, you are essentially creating a digital message signed with your private key, indicating that you're transferring ownership of a certain amount of Bitcoin to another user's public address. Once this transaction is verified and included in a block, it becomes irreversible.